Hi everybody, welcome to my Penny Go Boom. This is a technical analysis video on ticker VIIC, Vision Industry Corp. So for Friday, most there's the idea that a lot of stocks dump off on Fridays, and we didn't really see that today. Even though we're down 9% today, I am very happy with this week's action on VIIC. You can't expect the chart to go up every day. Pullbacks and consolidation are healthy for the stock. So you can see here today, each one of these candles represents 1 day's of price action. Today, we didn't have any big swings up or down. So again, nice support, nice consolidation here. I'm very happy with this. We closed just below the upper Bollinger Band. As you can see here, this chart throughout the week has been riding on or above the upper Bollinger Band, which usually indicates a uptrend is in action. The stock is trading healthily with good volume. So, we closed just below the upper Bollinger, but again, nothing too crazy. So it seems that a lot of people are holding on to their shares. You can't really complain with that. This green line here represents the 5-day simple moving average, and this purple one indicates the 10-day simple moving average. You can see that the 5 is over the 10 very healthily, actually, and this indicates a short to medium term uptrend. So let's take a look at some of the intraday action here today. I'm going to switch here to a 15-minute chart, each one of these candles representing 15 minutes of price action. So you can see here, so Friday starts right here. We started off here at around 2 cents, and we dipped down. And right at this line here, 0174, I drew this in yesterday's video. And this is a good area of support. And the reason that being is if you look at over here yesterday, and even just a little bit above over here, this acted as a nice support for the stock where it bounced off again. So you can see there's some volume here where people picked up shares at 0175, so nice scoop up. And it came back up to around 2 cents where we're at even, and then towards the end of the day, instead of a typical sell-off on a lot of these penny stocks, we kind of just kind of fizzled out a little bit, but nonetheless, we had a pretty good day, regardless of the fact that we're down 9%. So overall, the whole week looks pretty good. You can't complain. If you're in the stock and got my alerts off my Twitter, you should be doing backflips right now because you probably made a ton or boatload of cash. So going into next week, let's take a look at some of the resistances that we need to look at. Let me move to let me see here. I guess we'll keep it here. Okay, so we're right here. I'm sorry, you guys. 15 minutes. There we go. Okay, so right here we're looking at, again, the 15-minute chart. This extends from Wednesday to today. So some of the resistances we have coming up here, let me draw some trend lines. We're right here at around 2 cents. We're going to need to go through that resistance at 2 cents. That's going to be the next one coming up. Then the next one after that, I'm going to, this is kind of, you can plus or minus this, but I'm going to draw it in at 0229. This area right here, because you can see that this area had little issues going through, again, right here, and even though right here, it broke through a couple times, but again, this is going to be an area of going through. So again, 0205, and then the next area of resistance is going to be 0229. Going into next week. Again, good volume, good health here. Let's take a look at the MACD real quick on the 1-day chart. And you can see that the MACD, I mean, that's healthy. That looks better than most people would like it to look. So no complaints on the MACD here. RSI is a little high, but again, it kind of came down today. It closed out at 83, so it's kind of resetting a little bit. Very happy with that overall. Level 2 looked pretty good all day. Knight was trying to get 1.7 million shares towards the end of the day, but the stock did hold nicely. So again, if you like what I'm doing here, please follow me on my Penny Go Boom on Twitter. We could talk about it. Give me a follow here on YouTube, and good luck next week. This thing is in beast mode. Beast mode.